Reading a Grade 6, Unit 11, Our Greener World. Passage 1. The world's oceans are so vast that they can cope with the present level of pollution. However, little is known about the long-term effects of such slow poisoning. The most serious problem of modern times is that man is destroying the Earth's natural resources and transforming huge areas into wastelands. As a result, it is becoming extremely difficult to grow enough to feed the world's rapidly increasing population. A way of protecting all the wildlife on the Earth must also be found, as many species are in danger of disappearing completely from the face of the Earth. The dangers, however, are not confined solely to the land and the sea. The smoke in the atmosphere, for example, is increasing so much that the amount of sunlight has been reduced in many cities. Man's whole environment is being changed in a serious way. Passage 2. Nowadays, people are more aware that wildlife all over the world is in danger. Many species of animals are threatened and could easily become extinct if we do not make an effort to protect them. There are many reasons for this. In some cases, animals are hunted for their fur or for other valuable parts of their bodies. Some birds, such as parrots, are caught alive and sold as pets. For many animals and birds, the problem is that their habitat, the place where they live, is disappearing. More land is used for farms, for houses or industry, and there are fewer open spaces than there once were. Farmers use powerful chemicals to help them grow better crops, but these chemicals pollute the environment and harm the wildlife. The most successful animals on Earth, human beings, will soon be the only ones left unless we can solve this problem. Passage 3. A combination of sewage, salt, air pollution, sun, sand, and wind may destroy the huge statue on the outskirts of Cairo. This statue of the sun god has the body of a lion and the face of a human being. It is 5,000 years old, but it is too badly damaged to be completely saved. The statue has already been dug out of the sand 3 times. However, the latest problems are much more serious. First, there are no proper drains and water pipes in the neighborhood, and the underground passages around the statue have been blocked. Too much water has been running into the stone statue for several years. As a result, tiny pieces of salt have been left on the stone and have damaged it. Secondly, air pollution from the increasing amount of traffic in Cairo is also destroying the ancient statue. The air is too full of poisonous gases that it is making the stone crumble and decay even faster. Finally, the tourists who visit the statue every day also cause a lot of damage.